Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the CUE screen on a Cadillac SRX. This is a common issue, and with a few simple steps, you can tackle it yourself. First, make sure you have your plastic trim removal tools and a T15 Torx screwdriver ready. Safety first, so disconnect your negative battery terminal before touching anything. Then, gently pry off the trim around the screen. Once the trim is off, you'll see the mounting screws holding the CUE unit in place. Use your T15 Torx screwdriver to remove these carefully. After the screws are out, gently pull the entire screen assembly forward. This will give you access to the electrical connectors behind it. Take your time and disconnect all the wiring harnesses. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more car repair tips. And on another note, if your car's interior could use a refresh after all that work, why not grab a little Trees Black Ice air freshener? It's a classic for a reason. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the exciting part, installing your brand new CUE screen. Carefully connect all the electrical harnesses to the back of the new unit, ensuring each one clicks securely into place. Then, gently slide the new screen assembly back into its mounting position. Finally, secure it firmly with the screws you removed earlier. Reattach the trim pieces, and you're almost done.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.